Hi classmates, my name is Chantel, and for today's personal narrative speech, I will be speaking on the values of consistency and where and how I apply them to my everyday life. For the three areas that I do apply consistency into my life is in my academics, my professional life, and as well as working out. The way I apply consistency into these three areas is by being able to stay disciplined. Being consistent is very important as it can take you very far. It can change your life, whether it's within 3 months, 6 months, in a year. Staying consistent is very important, whether you want drastic changes or not. For the first area that I apply consistency is in my academics. Being able to show up every single day into my classes, whether it's online, whether it's in person, being able to just show up is the first step for myself and where I apply my consistency in my academics. Being able to do my schoolwork when it's on time, when it's due, before the due date, being able to do my schoolwork is very important, and being able to stay consistent in that within my lectures, my readings, is very important for the outcome as to how I do in my school or in my academics. I was on academic probation the first year of college, as I have overcame that, and I did change the outcome of no longer being on academic probation by being able to stay consistent and just showing up into my classes, asking for help when I needed it, and not being afraid to reach out to my professors. I am one semester away from graduating, and I do believe it has a lot to do with being consistent in my schoolwork. For the second area that I apply consistency in is working out. I am a personal trainer, so working out is very important to myself and as well as to my clients that I do train. Being able to live a healthier lifestyle is very important to me. And by being able to live a healthier lifestyle, I feel the first step is being consistent in my training, working out 5 days out of the week, whether that's 5 days, 4 days out of the week or not, but being able to show up for myself and as well for my clients. I feel with being consistent in working out, it has provided a lot of confidence in me, whether that's on the outer look, but more importantly on the inner of me. Being consistent in working out and training, besides living a healthier lifestyle, it has overall made me physically and mentally stronger, as I always wanted to be physically stronger. By being consistent in my training, it has mentally helped me out tremendously. The last area where I apply consistency is in my professional lifestyle. Being able to take accountability when I am not being consistent is very important because it keeps me on track and it guides me back to the path that I need to be on. Being able to be consistent is just showing up every day to be better within myself, in my job. As a receptionist, I do work at a dental office, so I believe showing up every single day and being consistent in my work is important to myself and to my patients, as they confide in me and they trust me. Even if I'm just a receptionist, they confide in me and they're able to ask me questions when our doctors are not available. And by that, by being consistent in my job, is being able to learn something new every single day and being able to master it until I know it. At the end of the day, hard work does not go unnoticed. And so just be consistent, because hard work does not go unnoticed. And by ending this speech, I do want to leave you guys off with a quote by Dwayne Johnson. Success isn't always about greatness, it's about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. Greatness will come. And just by leaving off on that note, being consistent does help, whether you're consistent for 28 days, 2 months, 6 months. Just try to stay consistent in your work and in your everyday life. It will pay off. Thank you so much for listening.